everyone, welcome to Bochiknot and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. So welcome to another Bochiknot DIY macrame tutorial. We will be going over a diamond tassel pattern today. I incorporated this diamond tassel pattern into a larger, more advanced wall hanging. If you guys are interested in the full tutorial and full ebook for this advanced macrame wall hanging, you can check out the link in the video description below for more details. So I'm going to walk through today a diamond pattern with a tassel at the end. I will be using my all-natural single-strand cotton cord from my foundation line at 5mm size to make this pattern. This is a super soft and sturdy cord to use for macrame. If you guys are interested in this, you can check out the details in the video description below. You will need to start with 6 strands of cord at about 150 centimeters long each. Fold each cord in half and hang it on a dowel using a lark's head knot to start. To begin the pattern, take the middle right cord, fold it over the middle left cord for a double half hitch knot to the left. The middle left cord will form the anchor cord for a row of diagonal double half hitch knots. Take the next vertical cord to the left as a working cord for another double half hitch knot on the same anchor cord. Continue diagonally to the left until all the vertical cords to the left are attached onto the same anchor cord. If at any time you are unfamiliar with any of the knots that I have made in this tutorial and you want to go and revisit and practice these knots prior to continuing with this pattern, you can check out my Bochiknot Macrame Knot Series playlist, where I will go over all of these knots in a step-by-step format. So if you guys are interested, you can check out the link in the video description below. Then using the first working cord from the left, we're going to use this as the anchor cord for a diagonal row of double half hitch knots to the right. So taking all the vertical cords to the right, attach them onto that anchor cord using double half hitch knots. We're going to repeat this pattern in the center again so that we start to form a double diamond pattern. So taking the middle 2 cords, we're going to start off by repeating the same diagonal double half hitch knot pattern to the left, making sure that you stop at the second last cord to the left. So leave the last cord on the far left as is, and we will come back to it at a later time. And then taking that top left cord as an anchor cord, we're going to make a series of double half hitch knots diagonally to the right, stopping right after the second last cord on the right. Now with the middle 4 cords, make a square knot using the left and right cords in the 4 chord section as working chords for 2 opposite half knots. Once the square knot is complete, we're going to close off the double diamond pattern. So starting with the second last cord as the anchor cord again, take the cord next to it on the right as the working cord for a double half-hitch knot. This time we're going to make the double half-hitch knots diagonally to the right, stopping at the middle left cord at the bottom. Now repeat the same thing on the right side with the second last right cord as an anchor cord for a row of diagonal double half-hitch knots to the left. Close off the inner diamond with one more double half-hitch knot with the 2 anchor cords on both sides. Starting on the left side again, using the far left cord as an anchor cord, we're going to repeat the pattern with a diagonal double half-hitch knot row to the right, using all of the vertical cords to the right of the anchor cord, stopping at the middle left cord. Close off the outer diamond with one more double half-hitch knot in the center. So next we're going to continue with the pattern on the left using the far left 2 cords. The far left cord as the anchor cord, and then the second cord from the left as a working cord for 4 consecutive half-hitch knots on the anchor cord. Once the half-hitch knots are made, twist the pattern over to the front with the anchor cord facing over to the right, and then we're going to continue in that direction with the vertical cords to the right for another diagonal row of double half-hitch knots. So make a series of double half-hitch knots to the right, stopping before the middle left cord. So make a total of 3 double half-hitch knots to the right. Repeat on the far right side, mirroring what we just did on the left. Once the left and right sides are complete, we're going to continue with a small diamond pattern in the center. So using the same anchor cord from above, take the left anchor cord where we had just completed the double half hitch knot row as a working cord for a double half hitch knot. Then repeat the same thing on the right side, onto the right anchor cord. Then continue on the left with 2 more double half hitch knots, and then repeat on the right side. Take the middle 4 cords and make another square knot in the center. Close off the diamond pattern here, similar to what we had done above. We're going to end off this pattern with one more small diamond double half hitch knot. So taking the same anchor cord from above, make one double half hitch knot on the left, and then one double half hitch knot on the right with the right anchor cord. Then close off this small little diamond on both sides. We're going to finish off this pattern underneath with a tassel. So taking the middle 2 cords, make a loose overhand knot. Then taking 4 strands of cord of about 25 centimeters long each, we're going to place the 4 cords through the loop. Then tighten the overhand knot and make one more overhand knot to secure it. Folding the cords down, we're going to take another strand of cord at about 25 centimeters long and make a gathering knot to form the tassel. To make the gathering knot, you have to form the loop with one end and hold it with one hand and take the long cord end and wrap it around the cords several times. Then place that cord end through the loop that you made in the beginning and then pull on the top cord end to tighten the knot. The very last step is to cut the cord ends from the working cord and then trim the tassel at the bottom so that they are the same length. You can also trim the fringe on the left and right to your desired length. And then you are complete with this double diamond tassel pattern. You can incorporate this pattern into wall hangings or plant hangers if you like. If you guys do decide to incorporate this pattern into your work, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Bochiknot so that I can repost it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Bochiknot on YouTube so that you can stay tuned for more macrame DIY videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.